friends, in this pulley support assembly today we are going to see how to make this nut. So let's make it. We will sketch it according to dimensions. So let's make it. First open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design and then part design. After that click on OK. This window will be pop up on your laptop. After that select any plane whatever you want and then go on sketch option from here. After that make one hexagon from here, take hexagon from there and then make one hexagon. Now let's see its dimension. Edge dimension is 4.3 and circle is of 2.5. We have to make one circle also. And now let's see, give dimensions. Select this constraint option for dimensions and distance between two edges is given as how much it was? It was 4.3 and this diameter of this circle was given as 2.5. After that go on exit to workbench and then thickness of this pad is given as 3. So write 3 and then click on OK. After that we have to give some fillet or edge to this. So we have to select the plane which is going through points. This plane is going through these two corners, but this plane is going through these edges. So we are going to select the plane which is going through corner. So I have selected that plane and then going on sketch option. After that use this projection command and project this 2 and this one, 3 lines, these 3 lines. Then use this corner command and select this side of 2 lines and this side of 2 lines and let's give dimensions to it according to us. I am giving here 0.5. It is not mentioned in sketch, so I am using 0.5 again. And now use this profile command to complete the entity, and our entity is completed by joining these 2 dots. After that go on exit to workbench and then use this groove command. Select the axis according to which you want a groove. So I have selected that axis and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our sketch. Thank you so much guys for watching it.